we discuss about thermodynamics. Thermochemistry study the energy effect of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction energy changes are utilized to calculate the heat balance of industrial process, determine the energy of bonds, establish the direction of process, classification of chemical systems, a number of substance and interaction proceeding in a limited volume. There are three types: open, closed, and isolate. First is open. Delta M is not equal to 0 and delta Q is not equal to 0. In second closed system, delta M is equal to 0 and delta Q is not equal to 0. Then isolate, delta M is equal to 0 and delta Q is equal to 0. Any chemical system is characterized by two things: parameters and functions of state. First, parameters can be measured. Parameters are measured: mass M, temperature T, pressure P, amount of substance N, concentration C. Next, function of state. Absolute value can't be measured. Internal energy E, enthalpy H, entropy S, gives free energy G. Types of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is two types: exothermic and endothermic. In exothermic reaction, heat is liberated into the surrounding, and endothermic reaction, heat is absorbed from the surrounding. That means heat absorbed surrounding the system. Then next types of chemical reaction: isobaric and isochoric. Isobaric means delta P is equal to 0, means at constant pressure, and in isobarics delta V is equal to 0, means at constant volume. Next is first law of thermodynamics. The energy cannot be created nor be destroyed. It is the statement of first law. Therefore, the total energy of the universe is a constant. Energy can, however, be converted from one form to another or transferred from a system to the surrounding. Q is equal to delta U plus A, where Q is an amount of heat, delta U is changes in internal energy, A is equal to a work resisting external forces, A is equal to P delta V. Enthalpy, heat content. If a system is exchanged with surroundings by heat, its internal energy and enthalpy are changed. Q is greater than 0, heat is liberated. Delta U is less than 0, delta H less than 0. Q is less than 0, heat is absorbed. Delta U is greater than 0, delta H is greater than 0. The value of delta H is corresponding to the amount of the heat Q, which is absorbed or evolved in any chemical reaction, Q is equal to minus delta H. Standard enthalpy of formation. The standard enthalpy of formation delta HF is the enthalpy change when 1 mole of a pure substance is formed from its element. Each element must be in the physical and chemical form which is more stable at normal atmospheric pressure and specified temperature, means 298 Kelvin. Thank you.